Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Derek at Seacoast House of Cars, we have his 1995 Chevrolet Caprice. But as you know by the title, this isn't a normal Caprice. This is a T56 swapped 95 Capri. Save the whales. Oh, this thing is so cool. The door weighs like 5.5 tons. Completely redid the interior. No parking brake, that's why I have it off. There is actually a parking brake. There is a parking brake, it's right here. So there's that. Stay. I forgot these have the best horns in the world. Alright, on the brake. Good old 6-speed T56. That fuel pump, baby. Stock 5.7. But being a manual, these automatics were slush box. Not were, they are slush boxes. I don't know if these. I'm just gonna leave that alone. But with the automatics, how slushy they were, this is way before dual clutches and really good torque converters. This completely changes it. Now keep in mind, I've never driven a stock one of these, but having a stick shift V8 wagon is so cool. Derek told me, he's like, yeah, you might get a little seasick driving it. I kind of laughed. No, he's right. This thing, it is, floats is the license plate. And that is about as accurate as you can get. This thing just floats. And 6th gear is holy overdrive, Batman. Oh, but you don't need 5th gear. Okay. Yeah, this thing just has so much torque that it just pulls you out of everything.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.